Ahead of the 2026 general elections, the Electoral Commission is organizing a voters' register display from April 25th to May 15th. Every registered voter is encouraged to visit their polling station during this period and confirm that your name, photo, and other particulars are correctly captured. Raise any concerns, report errors, and ensure that only rightful voters remain on the register. This includes the deceased, underaged, if any, or those who belong to other parishes. Be part of the journey to a credible, inclusive elections. A clean national voters register is a cornerstone for transparent, peaceful, free, and fair elections.
Are coming out of reckless driving. Some of them stress, internal stress from people, poverty, family conflicts, those problems. And very soon, before the day ends, it is a mandate of Ministry of Works and Transport through Uganda Police. Once we investigate and see what was the cause of accident, we can do something. So this, before today ends, I will come back to announce some punishments we have given to the bus people, those who have caused accidents in the last 4 months. Not all, but a few. Last time I punished a given bus, and I saw people coming in town that they want to demonstrate. Why have I stopped a bus for them? They were earning a living. Earning a living when you're killing people. We can't allow you to kill people in your homes. Then their police will investigate, but on our roads, we cannot allow that one to happen. We shall continue doing it, especially for the bus people, because bus carries many people. So today, before the day ends, we shall come up with an announcement which will not be good to other people. But also we are digging deeper. How do we tap these tax people? What about these individuals? Some of you have very expensive cars. Some of you feel big because you are connected to commissioners and you drive recklessly. One, that express, that system we have brought, so it get you driving poorly. You don't shout with these traffic officers. Simply sends you a message that you will know one day you drove recklessly and they're going to charge you 10,000 Uganda shillings. That one will teach you a lesson, because I've seen it work in other countries. Maybe also they will fear. That's why we are insisting, if you are selling your car, please ensure the car is transferred in that person's name. Because for us, once we are doing that one, partnering with Uganda Police, we shall give them details of the person, the names which are the logo book. So we are appealing to you as you transfer your cars. Please transfer everything. Don't